Hi everyone, my name is Antonia S.
And I'm Madison C.
And today we're going to be talking about how the body maintains its calcium homeostasis.
Before we get into that though, we need to cover the key players in this process: the kidney, the thyroid gland, calcitonin, the parathyroid gland, parathyroid hormone or PTH, and active vitamin D.
In the first scenario we are going to cover, the body is experiencing rising blood calcium levels. A situation like this could be caused by an increase in calcium intake, for example, drinking milk or eating yogurt.
The initial step the body takes in this scenario is to release calcitonin from the thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is located in the neck just under the larynx or voice box, and is part of the endocrine system, which works with the nervous system to regulate body functions and maintain homeostasis. Calcitonin is a peptide hormone that lowers blood calcium level.
Calcitonin then stimulates calcium deposition in the bones. Deposition is the process of sending more calcium ions to the bones to be absorbed, almost like depositing money in a bank. Calcitonin also reduces the calcium uptake in the kidneys. This means that the kidneys reabsorb less calcium ions as they form urine.
Now, the body has returned to homeostasis, meaning the blood calcium level has declined. The second scenario deals with falling blood calcium levels. This could occur when a person does not receive the proper calcium intake in his or her diet. When this happens, the parathyroid gland releases parathyroid hormone, or PTH. There are 4 disc-shaped parathyroid glands on the surface of the thyroid. They are all part of the endocrine system, which, as we said before, works with the nervous system to regulate body functions and maintain homeostasis. PTH is a peptide hormone that raises blood calcium level. In this sense, calcitonin and PTH are antagonistic hormones, meaning they perform opposite functions.
Then, PTH stimulates the release of calcium ions from the bones and also stimulates the increase in calcium uptake in the kidneys. Finally, active vitamin D increases the calcium uptake in the intestines. Humans obtain an inactive form of vitamin D by food and exposure to sunlight. Inactive vitamin D is then transported in the blood and undergoes steps of activation in the liver and kidneys. This active form of vitamin D acts as a hormone to increase the uptake of calcium by the intestines from food.
At the end of this process, the blood calcium level has risen and the body has returned to homeostasis. It is important to maintain the body's calcium homeostasis because without calcium, nerve signals cannot be transmitted from cell to cell, muscles cannot function properly, blood cannot clot, and cells cannot transport molecules across their membrane.
Thank you for watching everyone, and we hope this video has cleaned up the process of how the body maintains its calcium homeostasis.